Everybody, welcome back to the shop. Today I'm going to be putting on a third brake light on the 24 Lightning. It's from Morimoto. It does have the third brake light camera and also the module for the 3 flashes every time you hit the brake. Here it comes with the housing here, and this is like a gasket with adhesive on it, and you pull that right before you install it. It's going to have these here on the inside replace the screws that you take out for to install this, and you just are going to have 2 screws on the end plus this gasket here. It looks like it comes with 2 extra ones if you ever need to pull this off, and a new gasket too, so if you ever have to take it off and put it back on, I guess you get another chance to do it. So with this tool here, I believe it's a 20 Torx. I took the 4 screws out, and you're just going to pull this off. And then you have your camera plug and the actual light plug. Might need needle nose. So for this little one here, I needed something skinny enough to push down on that tab. It wasn't hard, I just couldn't get my finger to do it. In that slot right there, this wiring harness has this little tab holding it in there. So you have to pull this out because you're going to use this plug that they give you here to adapt to it. And then I also have, this is the module here for the flashing. I already plugged it into this. So let me just get these all plugged in. So we're going to take this one out, and then we don't need this one. This is going to go into that. And then basically the rest is just going to get plugged back into the new light. So here is the original light. And we're going to remove the camera from this with these 2 Torx here and here. So with those out, the camera has this like rubber gasket, and you're just going to push it in to this light, and then you put the bracket back on and put the screws in, and you're good. So I have the 2 screws back in holding the camera, and what I'm going to do, and so as you can see here, there's 2 plugs left. One's for the camera and one's for this light. And what I'm going to do before I do anything as far as mounting it permanently, I'm going to test it. So I'll plug it in and make sure it's working. Alright, so basically in here, these inner ones, I took those out. And then these push pins go in there. And I just clean this with some alcohol around that edge. So what the next thing is you pull this sticky off the back and just push it in, and then you put the 2 outer screws in. To get this out, I just pushed down on one side while I had my finger in the back to help press it out, and it came right out. It's good. These do easy to get fingerprints on them, easy, I'll tell you that. These have dowel pins on the end too, so you kind of can't misalign it. And then you just put the 2 end screws in. So there it is, final installation, and the seal on there is really good. It's really tight up against there, and it's, you know, like held on with adhesive too. Alright, so we're in the pitch black here. Let's see if we can get some lights to come on here. There we go. So the bed is lit up pretty well. I'm pretty happy with that. It's pretty bright. And then we will try the brake. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. So there it is. There's really nothing to putting that on. You just have to pop a couple of those clips out for the center, the push pins, and you just got the wiring harness that they give you. It's all plug and play. For the price, it's a pretty good setup. So I'm happy with the lights. Plus, you know, it doesn't have that bright, shiny, clear looking reflective lens anymore. It's kind of dark and it goes with the truck, especially on black, but you know, it looks good on other colors too. So I'm pretty happy with it. Thanks for watching this episode, putting this on. I have some future tests I'm going to do with these KO3s and the stock 20-inch wheels with the lighter wheels and tires, and some trailer pulling tests with my boat back here and my 24-foot car hauler. We'll see how it does. This one's did a lot better than my last one, so seems like they've done some improvements, especially in cooler weather. So until next time, please hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll catch you on the next one.